Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support our videos. Thanks. How to easily replace your turn signal switch 2024 guide. A working turn signal switch is essential for safe driving. It not only helps signal your intentions to other drivers but also prevents accidents. If your turn signals are acting up, it's time to consider a replacement. Common signs include unresponsive signals, flickering lights, or a stuck switch. Replacing a faulty switch can restore proper function and keep you safe on the road. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy for anyone to tackle this important repair. Understanding the turn signal switch. When discussing vehicle maintenance, one crucial yet often overlooked component is the turn signal switch. Let's break down what it is and how it works. What is a turn signal switch? A turn signal switch is a vital part of your vehicle's steering column. It's the lever you use to indicate which direction you're planning to turn or change lanes. Located within easy reach of the driver, it's designed for quick and simple use. In modern vehicles, the turn signal switch might serve multiple functions. It can activate 1. Turn signals, indicating left or right turns. 2. Hazard lights, signaling distress or an emergency stop. 3. High beams, controlling the vehicle's high beam headlights. 3. This small lever packs a punch by making driving safer and more efficient. Function of the turn signal switch. The turn signal switch operates by completing electrical circuits that signal your intentions to other drivers. When you push the lever up or down, it connects a circuit that turns on the blinking light on the chosen side of your vehicle. Here's how it interacts with other vehicle systems. 1. Activation. 1. Pushing the lever up or down sends a signal to the electrical system. 2. This triggers the flashing of the turn signal lights. 1. Flasher unit. 1. The signal passes through the flasher unit, which controls the blinking speed of your turn signals. 2. The flasher unit ensures that the lights blink at a consistent rate. 1. Instrument panel. 1. The switch also enables the corresponding indicator on your dashboard, so you know the signal is working. 1. Self-canceling function. 1. In modern cars, the switch often includes a self-canceling function. 2. Once you've completed the turn, the lever returns to its neutral position automatically. 2. Without a working turn signal switch, communicating your driving intentions becomes almost impossible, increasing the risk of accidents. 2. By understanding how your turn signal switch works and interacts with other vehicle systems, you can better appreciate its role in safe driving. Next, we'll dive into the process of replacing this crucial component. Stay tuned. Signs of a faulty turn signal switch. Knowing the signs of a faulty turn signal switch can save you time and prevent accidents on the road. Here's what to look for if you suspect your switch is on the fritz. Intermittent functioning. Does your turn signal work one moment and fail the next? This inconsistency can be frustrating and dangerous. 1. Inconsistent blinking. Sometimes the lights flash as expected, but other times they don't respond at all. 2. Erratic behavior. The turn signals might blink faster than usual or even at irregular intervals. 2. If you notice these issues, it's time to check the switch before it completely stops working. Non-functioning turn signals. Non-functioning turn signals are a clear sign something is wrong. If the lever doesn't activate the lights, it's a strong indicator of a faulty switch. 1. No response. Flicking the lever up or down yields no blinking on either side. 2. Complete failure. Both turn signals do not work, no matter how much you wiggle or manipulate the lever. 2. Don't wait until you're left signaling with hand gestures. Get this fixed promptly. Unusual sounds or clicking. We all recognize that familiar clicking sound when turn signals are active. But what happens if it's different? 1. No click sound. When you activate the lever, the usual clicking noise is absent. 2. Odd noises. You might hear strange noises, like buzzing or grinding sounds, which aren't normal. 2. These signs suggest the inner mechanics of the switch could be malfunctioning, needing immediate attention. Dashboard indicator issues. Your dashboard indicator lights are helpful in showing if your turn signals work. When they start giving problems, it's a sign the switch may be faulty. 1. Indicator light stays on. Sometimes, the light stays lit on the dashboard even after the turn is completed. 2. Flashing too fast or slow. The indicator blinks at an abnormal rate, faster or slower than usual. 2. Any of these dashboard issues can indicate a deeper problem with your turn signal switch. 2. By recognizing these signs, you can address the problem early and ensure your turn signals are in top condition, keeping you and others safe on the road. Stay tuned for the next section on how to replace a faulty turn signal switch. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Before you start replacing your turn signal switch, it's crucial to gather all the tools and materials you'll need. This will make the task smoother and help you avoid multiple trips to the store. Essential tools. Replacing a turn signal switch doesn't require a huge toolbox, but a few key tools are necessary. Here's a list of the essential tools. 1. Screwdrivers. A set with both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. 1. These are needed to remove the screws holding the steering column cover. 2. Socket wrench set. Various sizes may be required, depending on your vehicle's make and model. 3. Torx bits. Some vehicles may use Torx screws for the switch assembly. 4. Steering wheel puller. If the turn signal switch is behind the steering wheel, you'll need this tool to safely remove the wheel. 5. Trim removal tool. Helps in prying off plastic covers without damaging them. 6. Electrical tape. Handy for securing any exposed wires during the switch replacement process. 7. Multimeter. Useful for checking electrical connections and ensuring proper installation. 7. Having these tools on hand will make the job easier and quicker. 7. Missing a tool in the middle of the process can be a real headache. Necessary materials. Along with the tools, you'll also need some materials to complete the turn signal switch replacement. Here's what you'll need. 1. Replacement turn signal switch. Make sure you get the correct part for your vehicle's make, model, and year. 2. Dielectric grease. Helps prevent corrosion and ensure a good electrical connection. 3. Wire connectors. If the wires need to be cut and reconnected, these will be necessary. 4. Cleaning supplies. A can of compressed air and a clean cloth. 4. These will help you clean the area around the switch before installing the new one. 5. Work gloves. Protect your hands while working with the electrical components and steering column. 5. Having these materials ready before you start will make the process smoother and more efficient. 5. Plus, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a successful repair. 5. By preparing the essential tools and necessary materials beforehand, you'll be ready to tackle the replacement with confidence. 5. Make sure everything is within reach and organized to avoid any unnecessary interruptions. Stay tuned for the next section, where we will delve into the step-by-step process of replacing the turn signal switch. Step-by-step guide to turn signal switch replacement. Replacing your turn signal switch might seem like a daunting task, but with the right preparation and a clear guide, you can do it yourself. This section breaks down the process into manageable steps. Preparation and safety measures. Before you begin, it's important to prepare and follow safety measures. This will ensure a smooth and safe replacement. 1. Park and power off. Make sure your car is parked on a flat surface. 1. Turn off the engine and remove the keys from the ignition. 2. Disconnect the battery. To prevent any electrical shocks or short circuits, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. 2. This is crucial for safety. 3. Gather tools and materials. Have all your tools and materials within reach. 3. Refer to the previous section for a detailed list. 4. Wear safety gear. Put on safety gloves and goggles. 4. Protecting your hands and eyes is essential when working with electrical components. 4. Taking these preparatory steps ensures a safe and organized workspace, preventing accidents and delays. Thank you for watching part 1 of our turn signal switch replacement guide. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the step-by-step process of replacing the switch itself. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.